Vermont, and
Another high wind warning.
Mountains. Wind from 4 p.m. Tuesday to 7 a.m. Wednesday. Impacts: damaging winds will blow down trees and power lines. Widespread power outages are expected. Travel will be difficult, especially for high-profile vehicles. Additional details: a period of heavy wet snowfall is expected Tuesday afternoon and evening outside of the Champlain Valley. This snow may cling to trees and power lines and increase the likelihood of power outages. People should avoid being outside in forested areas and around trees and branches. If possible, remain in the lower levels of your home during the windstorm and avoid windows. Use caution if you must drive. This is a wind advisory for the following areas.